Feeling like Temu knows a little too much about your shopping habits? Let's take back control of your privacy and clear the Temu browsing history in just a few simple steps. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few icons. Tap the U tab. It's usually the rightmost icon and looks like a person. Now, on the U page, find the settings icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen and looks like a gear. Tap on it. On the settings list, scroll down until you see privacy settings and tap it. In the privacy settings menu, you'll see a clear browsing data option. Tap here to continue. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to clear. Simply tap the clear button to remove your browsing history. That's it. You've successfully cleared your Temu browsing history. Now you can shop with a little more peace of mind. Subscribe for more simple and effective Temu privacy tips.